There are 5 ways to make a Google Meet. Let's jump in and look at all 5 of them. First, we're getting this information from the Google Meet help page. You can find this here in support.google.com. So the first way is just to type in meet.google.com. You'll come to this page here. You can click on New Meeting, or if you've been given a code from somebody else, you can type that code right in here. So if we click New Meeting, it will take us into creating a meeting for later. We can start an instant meeting, or we can schedule in Calendar One. So that's the first way to start a Google Meet. The second way to start a Google Meet is through Google Chat. So when I go to chat.google.com or mail.google.chat, you'll see that I have all of my chats here. I've had a conversation with myself. Down here in the bottom where I see the chat where I can type in, if I scroll all the way over to the right, I can click this little camera button icon here, and this will create a live meeting with the person that I'm chatting with or the group that I'm chatting with. So if I click send right there, I would just then click on this Google Meet link and it would open up a new Google Meet. The third way to create a Google Meet meeting is through Google Classroom. I'm here on the front page of my Google Classroom. You'll notice right here that I can actually generate a meeting link to share with my students. So when I click on generate link and click save, this link is the one that the students will be able to join when they enter the classroom. The fourth way to start a Google Meet, and this is usually used for the future meeting date or meeting time, is Google Calendar. So when I'm in Google Calendar, I want to create an event. You'll see here that I would have to do the normal Google Calendar event creation, but right here I can add Google Meet video conferencing. That meeting is set up with this link here. As I add guests, they will be invited to join this Google Meet. The fifth way that we can start or make a Google Meet is straight from our inbox. So this is my inbox, and you see that I have all of these emails here. If I scroll over to the left, I come all the way down to where it says Meet. It's below spaces. I can click on New Meeting, and I can send an invite right then to everybody that I want to invite. I can grab that link, put it into chat. I can kind of send it wherever I want to. Those are the 5 ways that you can create a Google Meet. Now, the secret 6th way is if you have a third-party app that plugs into Google Meet, you can use that, and you can find more information about that here with the tool and importing codes, Google Meet codes, into third-party apps that support Google Meet. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.